So that's a little trip to TNT. TNT is an Asian superstore, so you pretty much find everything you need from Asia in here. My favorite are the shrimp chips. So potato chips taste like shrimp or taste like lobster. Alrighty. Let's go to the next adventure. Let's walk in. Tempura shrimp, very yummy. To the biggest mall in the world. So here is your bubble tea and milk tea. Right. And in here we have the famous rice chum hot dogs, but they are not open yet. You should check it out. They have different hot dogs. You know, they're like $6.99. Not sure where they come from. Changchong rice hot dog.